When jogging a traditional industrial robot, you normally have to think about your X, Y, Z Cartesian coordinate frame and which way is positive and negative. If you make the wrong choice with any of those decisions, you can crash the robot into the surroundings and have to reset your system. So at Yaskawa, we developed Smart Frame. This uses terms that are more friendly to the user: left, right, away, toward, up, down, and some tool-specific features, including robot orientation, where you can use the center button to tilt the pendant and move the robot accordingly. So what I'm going to do is calibrate my system by standing in front of the robot, and now I'm calibrating the pendant's position relative to the robot frame. So now left is my left, right is my right. But if I turn 90 degrees, left is still my left and right is still my right. So now I'm going to use these features to roughly position this robot with this angled piece that you see in the frame. And here I'm going to tilt the pendant, and actually the robot will move accordingly. I'm just going to slow it down now that I'm close to the part. Do some fine positioning. And now I've picked the part using Smart Frame.